أكبر لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر.
Allah Akbar, offering my reverential salutations at thy feet of the Lord. I greet on this most sacred festival of Muslim communities in the world. Bakrid festival can be celebrated only when we follow three dictums of God. Daiva Preeti, love for God; Papa Bhiti, fear of sin; Sanghaniti, moral in society. This is what exactly we need to follow on while we have these festivals in our life. Long time back, Abraham, Prophet Abraham, when he was 90 plus years, he was blessed with a child and he was 13 years old, Ismail. One fine day, Abraham got the divine dream where Allah, the Lord, asked him whether he can offer, whether Abraham can offer his son as a sacrifice. You know what? He don't have any words listening to the Lord command. He just woke up and alerted his son, 13 years old son, teenage son. He was born at the ripe age of 90s to Abraham. Son said, "Oh father, I am ready to be offered to the Lord. I am not bothered because the command is from the Lord." So saying, son was offered himself, and so is the case with Abraham, Prophet Abraham. He was trying to sacrifice with a sword in his hands and try to cut his throat while closing the eyes in praise to the Lord, thinking about Allah. What happened? When he opened his eyes, instead of his son, he could see the dead goat in front of him. The son was alive. Abraham was bestowed with wonderful divine grace, saying that, "My dear, I'm happy that you have sacrificed your most dearest thing to me. I am blessing your son to be alive. Not only blessing your son, I am granting you yet another son." Accordingly, he was blessed with yet another son. His name was Isaac. Ismail and Isaac. These two are personification of faith in the God. My dear fellow brothers of Muslim community, today is Bakrid, in memory of that sacrifice we are celebrating. But what is that we are trying to do? That day, Lord said, take this goat, 3 parts, make it 3 parts. 1 part you give it to friends and relatives, 1 part you consume for yourself, 1 part you offer to the God. These are all the dictums of Allah. My dear friends of this world, let us understand whatever we earn with the grace of God should be, appropriately distributed to the people. We don't have right to swallow everything. We have duty in abundance that we should share with everyone. And it is not just that. What is to be offered to the God? The most dearest thing, which is a weakness for us, that needs to be offered. Not that whatever we don't like, you please offer to the God. It is not like that. We need to offer to the Lord what is most dear to us. Then it becomes a wonderful offering to the God. So saying, I would like to say, Ashvam Naiva, Gajam Naiva, Vyagram Naivacha Naivacha, Ajaputram Tadatyo, Devo Nirbalagataha, Devo Nirbalagataha. That means, we cannot offer horse neither offer elephant and neither offer tiger, but we only offer goats because they are weak. Whatever is weak, whatever is untruth, whatever is dearer to us needs to be offered to the God. This is the essence of real sacrifice. I wish a happy and holy Bakrid. Bakrid means not just cutting, sacrificing the goats, sacrificing our weaknesses, sacrificing our interests, sacrificing our attachment, sacrificing all our, most wonderful things at the feet of God, so we can get wonderful grace from that sacrifice. All our prayers to the well-being of everyone. Islam stands for ISLAM. Islam means I shall love all mankind. I shall love all mankind. That is the spirit of every festival we celebrate in our country, in our world. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.